Hi family and friends, welcome back. In case you're new here, welcome to Weaved In. My name is Paula and today I'm going to show you how I made this storage container for my craft tools from an old money bank tin. For this tutorial, I used leftover yarn and a 3.5mm hook. Start with a magic circle, round 1, chain 3, double crochet 11 into circle, slip stitch into 4th chain to end round 1. Round 2, chain 3, double crochet 2 in each stitch of round 2, end of round 2, double crochet 1 in the base of the chain 3, slip stitch in 4th chain to end round 2. We have now finished round 3. We're going to start on round 4. Round 4, pull the loop on the hook to about 1 inch or so. Pick 4 loops from the base of that loop. Pull through all loops, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, pick 5 loops from the next stitch, Pull through all loops, chain 1, repeat same steps until you get to the end of round 4. We are at the end of round 4. Slip stitch into the top of the first puff, fasten off. Join a new color. Start with a slip knot. Join the color to anywhere on the circle. Pull the first loop to a height of 1 inch or so. Pick 4 loops from the chain 1 space. Pull through all loops, chain 1. From here, repeat round 5 until you get your desired length. This is the tin I'm going to use. It's an old money bank tin. I'm just going to take off the base of the tin. This is what it looks like now. And I'm going to insert it into the cover. Now I'm using a chain to secure the bag to the tin so that the bag doesn't slide off. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I will see you again in my next video.